Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheesecake very easily. Let's start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 pounds of cream cheese, 1 cup of sugar, 4 large eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. It's crucial that all these items are at room temperature. This helps achieve that perfectly smooth, lump-free batter we all desire. This simple preparation ensures a fantastic foundation for your delicious dessert. Now, let's prepare the crust. Combine 1 1/2 cups of graham cracker crumbs with 1/4 cup of melted butter and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Press this mixture firmly into the bottom of a 9-inch springform pan. For the filling, beat the softened cream cheese with the sugar until it's wonderfully light and fluffy. Then, gently incorporate the eggs, one at a time, followed by the vanilla extract, mixing just until combined. Baking cheesecake requires a gentle touch. Place your springform pan into a larger roasting pan and add about 1 inch of hot water to the outer pan, creating a water bath. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 to 70 minutes, or until the edges are set but the center still jiggles slightly. After baking, turn off the oven, crack the door, and let it cool slowly for 1 hour before chilling in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. Once your cheesecake is perfectly chilled, it's time for the fun part: toppings. You can adorn it with fresh berries, a rich chocolate ganache, or a vibrant fruit compote. For clean slices, dip your knife in hot water and wipe it clean between each cut. This ensures every piece looks as good as it tastes. Remember to check the description for a link to a fantastic book about money, along with other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, easy cheesecake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.